What are the top insurance company tactics after an injury accident? Hi, I'm Kevin McManus. I'm a personal injury attorney in Kansas City, here to answer that question for you. So let me paint the picture. You were in a crash, someone else was at fault. You were hoping that you could just handle this on your own. You have some injuries. You've been talking to the insurance company for the at-fault party, sharing whatever information they ask for. You've gotten your medical bills, you've gotten records to them. You're still treating, but you'd really like to put this all behind you. You've hoped that they would be reasonable and make some offer that would allow you to move forward, but all you've gotten are stalling tactics, asking for meaningless information, and very likely a lowball offer. Well, if any of that sounds familiar, let me tell you, you're not alone. We deal with this all the time, and many times clients come to us after trying to do exactly what you're doing, and that's where we can step in and really be of help. These are common insurance tactics. Their goal, what you need to know first and foremost, is they're not your friend. And that's one of their top tactics, is they will tell you, you don't need a lawyer. It's better if you just work with us. We really do care about what happened to you, and we're wanting to make it better. They'll often act like your friend until you start negotiating with them, or you're asking them to resolve your case for a reasonable sum. And then at that point, you'll really realize that this is not what you thought it was. And again, that's when we can help and step in. The other things that we often see is that they will ask for things that don't matter. Information about your job when you're not asking for lost wages. Medical records about parts of your body that weren't even hurt. Again, this is all part of their tactic. The tactic is to delay, to deny, to discount whatever you're asking for to get this claim resolved. The most important thing you can do is, if you've got a serious injury or one that's required more than just a few visits, you really should at least talk to a personal injury attorney. We offer free consultations at our law firm. We'd be happy to talk to you about your case. And I always tell folks, if you don't need a personal injury lawyer or you don't want one, that's fine. We're happy to provide you with free information and to hopefully help you get this resolved on your own. However, I will tell you that the more serious your injuries are, the higher your bills are, the greater the treatment you've received, the more likely it is that you could really benefit from having an experienced personal injury lawyer helping you with your case. Because the insurance company's goal is to pay you as little as possible. And when you have more injuries and more treatment and more bills, there's just more at stake. If you have questions about a personal injury accident in Kansas or Missouri, call us. Our number's below. Thanks.